All right, episode 2, Justin's struggling.
As always.
Got it. All right, we're loading his bike up. Oh my goodness, Justin. You're way too close to the left here.
I know.
Dude, you're gonna make the slide. All right, I'll come back. All right.
Putting bikes in this.
All right, we're back. We're loading in the van. We got my 2 bikes, my sister's bike, in the camper. We got Justin struggling again.
Come on.
All right, so here's the van. I guess I really showed that. It's a 03 350. Packing a 7.3 in there. I'm gonna pull a camper, and then my parents are gonna be in the truck behind. Justin's struggling a lot.
Perfect.
So I'll come back when actually I'm gonna fill up and then we're gonna head home, hook up the camper, and then get ready to leave, and I'll show you inside the camper all packed up, ready to roll. LL22.
Is that fine there?
Yeah, it's good. Alright. Alright. Ready to roll here. Got the van loaded up, Justin's bike, all his stuff in the back. We got it in here. Olivia's bike, my 2 bikes, beds and everything. We're loaded up, ready to go. We got a boogie because gate's closed here. I'll get back to you when we're driving because we got a boogie. All right, we're about an hour in. Kind of forgot to video, honestly. Got the camper behind us and I can't really see, but we are, gates closed at 12. Yeah. We have like 30 minutes to spare.
Let's get there 11:30.
11:30. No, we have not. You can't see Justin here. We haven't even ate dinner. Oh, it's right. Haven't even eaten dinner yet. Yeah, we don't really know what to do. We gotta get gas too.
Yeah, we do.
So we're struggling, but we'll get it figured out, and we'll update you when we're getting gas and food and running around. All right, this is one heck of a trip so far. LL22, I guess.
Right.
Is it on camera?
Okay, so
Oh my God.
on our way to Wildcat Creek area qualifiers in Indiana. Currently driving through a snowstorm right now.
April 1st is tomorrow, right?
April 1st, tomorrow, yes. Currently snowing, and we're driving to an area qualifier. So this should be interesting. I guess we'll see what tomorrow for practice brings. I don't know.
I don't know if the camera can get it, but like,
I think it's showing up
a little bit ago, it was a little worse, but
pretty
like,
good.
you can't even. Yeah, I can't see back there.
It's terrible. This absolutely sucks. So hopefully the weather a little bit nicer to us this weekend. I don't know. We'll see.
Last year, I was warm.
Yeah.
In the log road one.
Yeah, I remember going to this log road one. It was pretty warm, but getting pretty close. Yeah, another, I say 23 minutes left. But yeah, I'll update you guys real quick because this is not fun.
Oh my God.
I do not want to be riding in this. So hopefully tomorrow brings better weather. But we'll keep you guys updated as we go.
All right, we're really bad at this. We got here late last night, so we just wanted to get to bed. We didn't really eat dinner, so we're getting unloaded. We made it actually. We got all the bikes here. Getting unloaded, and practice is delayed because it's so cold. Come back later. All right, let me say hi to the vlog. Or the documentary. We're making a it's not a vlog, it's a documentary of budget racing.
So,
Justin, we're out.
you let me say hi.
Oh, you weren't saying anything.
Hi.
Alright. So it's a little muddy out here. First practice, AB. We're skipping. I don't know about the first round. We're definitely skipping first practice. We're just watching right now. It looks really muddy. get back to you if we practice, and Olivia will get some sick footage.
What's that?
Right here, we're starting. It's a document. We don't care what it looks like. All right, so we finished 450C, 250C practice. 450C was all right. It's shaping up. 250C was earlier. That was a mess. Olivia. Dad's watching the first episode. How was your practice?
Only the back was fun, and then I fell. And then my backside got locked up with mud, but it was good.
All right, so she's enjoying it.
No, I'm scared I'm not going to pull up.
Justin, how you doing, Justin? How's practice?
It was alright.
Good.
Haven't gone down yet. Trying to stay up and stay smooth.
All right.
Not super fast, but
Hey,
trying to stay up.
that's what it's all about. We're gonna go for one more round. We skipped round 1, but we got 3 rounds, and mine went all right. Messed it all up, but I'll update you later.
Zoom in on that. You gotta zoom in on that. Yeah. Let's say this.
We currently finished the day off here. Olivia's gonna give her opinion on how the day went.
I think it was really muddy the first 2. I only went out for 2, but the first one was really bad, and then the third one was pretty good. But I don't know if I'm gonna qualify or not because there's a lot of fast girls. But it was fun.
No, you qualify.
It was fun though.
It'll be fun. Sweet. All right, let's go to Justin.
What did you say?
How was your guys' opinion on the day?
I thought it was well.
Sweet. Mom,
good.
how did I ride?
You were great. It was good watching you.
She was in the camper all day, staying warm.
And why were you flying? Because you had good food in you.
Yeah. Because mom brought the food.
Yep.
The grapes really did it for me.
I have 1 grape.
You need to film me.
Right,
Alright, how's your day?
So we ended up not going to Justin. We went to my parents and then me, and then we'll go to Justin last.
You can come out and situate the bikes so we can lock them up.
Okay. It was pretty good actually. The first practice and the second rotation of 250C sucked. I went down twice. Somebody ran into me, ripped my gear, but after that I put myself up front and
Got the whole shot every time.
yeah, I got the whole shot in practice. No, didn't look back. Nobody got around me, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I was pushing a little hard in the 250C. Overall good. I'm happy with how it went. Alright, we got to update you on this. Little something popped up. My parents made me this. Me and Olivia this. LL22 Victory. There's the mom herself.
We're doing it here?
Yeah, we can. This 0.5 makes you look really tall. How do you feel about your day? What was your opinion on it?
Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's been going for 12 seconds.
All right.
The
Well,
whole time you're thinking the monster.
felt good.
Okay.
Didn't work on going fast.
Exactly.
I worked on staying up
Mhm.
and being smooth.
Mhm.
Could have gone faster. Tomorrow we'll go faster. But
Exactly. Get the win.
Monster kid.
Yeah. Get your goggles on around the neck.
You don't qualify in practice.
No.
You
That's
qualify in a race.
that's right.
Exactly.
That's true. So, used to the track. It
Mhm.
was slippery,
It was a little slick.
but
The hand on the hip.
You look. You do. You need. Like I said, you need the goggles
I'm
on.
not sponsored by 100% or.
No, no.
I wish
You're
I
not
was.
sponsored by.
I'm
That's
not.
really-
I wish I was.
Alright, so that's a wrap on Friday.
Tomorrow, I'm the only. No. Is Olivia racing?
Yeah.
All right, so we're racing tomorrow. Max is being lazy, taking the day off.
No, I just spent too much money and can't race it.
That's true. You could have got another bike though.
I could have spent more money. Yeah. I'm okay though.
So, yep. Signing off.